So a friend of mine gave me a few crabs in which I was just going to go ahead and boil them and heat them. But during the process, I took up my phone and I started recording. So let's talk about what is already in the pot. Right here I have some pimento berries, some allspice leaf, some scotch bonnet pepper. What else did I put in the pot? I put some onion powder, some garlic powder. I didn't have any onion at hand, so I used the onion powder. So what you want to do, you want to bring this liquid to a boil, and you can't forget the salt. You're gonna need some salt for taste. So you're gonna bring this to a boil to extract all the amazing flavor from all the herbs and all the spice. Okay, and then straight away you want to go ahead and grab the bad boys. Yes man, you're gonna put them directly in the pot and you can cook it until 10-15 minutes, or you can cook it until the claws are easily broken off. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put all the crabs in the pot, every single one, big and small. I have roughly, I didn't count them, I have perhaps maybe a dozen or something like 9, somewhere there. I think 3 of them died, in which I won't be cooking the dead ones. Sorry little man, there's no chance of escaping now. Too bad for you. I guess this crab right here, yes, this one is saying hi to someone, but definitely not me. Got to be to somebody else. He's saying that if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to click the post notification bell. Yes man, I crab said that, not me. Okay. You want to ensure that your crabs are fully immersed in the boiling water.